Good morning students of class 8. Previous class exercise 20A question number 1, number 4 up to that we have done. Today we are starting from question number 2. The meaning of the question you will understand properly. Question number 2 is given. The dimensions of a rectangular water tank are 2 meter 75 centimeter by 1 meter 80 centimeter by 1 meter 40 centimeter. Dimension means length, breadth and height is given. This is length, this is breadth and this is height. How many liters of water does it hold when filled to the brim? How many liters of water it can be hold means the capacity of the water tank we have to find, and capacity means the volume we have to find. So after read the question you have to understand that you have to find the total surface area, lateral surface area or volume. So after read the question you have to understand it. So how many liters of water means capacity you have to find. That means for this question you have to find the volume. So how I have solved? For the rectangular tank, length, breadth and height in same unit I have converted. 2 meter 75 centimeter means 2.75 meter, 1 meter 80 centimeter means 1.80 meter and 1 meter 40 centimeter 1.40 meter. Now we have to find volume. Volume means what? Rectangular water tank, that means cuboid shape. So the formula will be length into breadth into height. Then 2.75 into 1.80 into 1.40. Cancellation I am not explaining. According to you, you can cancel it. And after doing the cancellation, this number is coming 693 by 100. Okay, meter cube. But in answer, you have to find in liter. So we know the relation already in previous class we have learned. That is 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. So that meter cube equal to 1000 into this. So it's coming 6930 liter. So 6930 liter of water in the rectangular tank can hold. This will be the answer. Now question number 3 I am just explaining because there are many sums are there, so it will be not possible to solve all the sums. Question number 4 is very easy. Question number 3. Question number 3 is given for a rectangular piece of iron, length, breadth, height given. Find the weight of this piece. Weight means you have to find the volume. So length into breadth into height you will find. Then it is given if 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 8 gram. So what you will do, 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 8 gram and whatever volume you will get for that centimeter cube, the weights will be 8 into that, means 8 into that volume you have to do. Now question number 4 I have solved. What is the question? The area of the courtyard. Courtyard means one passage. Okay, the area of the courtyard is 3750 meter square. Find the cost of covering with gravel to a height of 1 centimeter if the gravel cost rupees 6.40 per cubic meter. So here you have to find the cost of covering with gravel, and for gravel the height is given 1 centimeter and per cubic meter what is the cost? 6.40 per cubic meter means for 1 meter cube. Okay, so how we have to solve? For the courtyard, here the area is given. Area means you know L into B, so we within bracket we can write L into B. It's coming 3750 meter square and height is given 1 centimeter to a height of 1 centimeter. That means 1 centimeter we have converted in meter, so it's coming 1 by 100 0.01 meter. So now we have to find volume, because here in the answer you have to find the cost of covering, and if per cubic meter the cost is 6.40. Per cubic meter means for 1 meter cube, and that means you have to find the volume. So volume is L into B into H. L into B is what? 3750 and H is what? 0.01. After doing multiplication this will come. Now for 1 meter cube the cost is rupees 6.40. So for that meter cube the cost is this into this. So it's coming rupees 240. So the cost of covering the courtyard is rupees 240. That will be the answer. Now question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 these questions are same types of question. Okay, and this type of questions you are doing from class 5. When how many persons, how many how many birds, how many matchboxes, how many planks, this type of question will be given. Always you have to remind number of something equal to larger quantity by smaller quantity. So here in question number 5 I have given the hints. Read the question. How many persons can be accommodated in a hall of length this, breadth this and height this? That means for the hall, length, breadth, height is given. Assuming that 3.6 meter cube of air is required for each person. So for one person the air is needed 3.6 meter cube. Here how many number of persons you have to find. So number of persons, only the hints I have given, that is number of persons equal to larger quantity by smaller quantity. Larger quantity is what? Volume of air in the room. From length, breadth, height you can find the volume of the air in the room by volume of air needed for one person, and that will be what? 3.6 meter cube. So volume of air needed for one person, here you will put 3.6, and volume of air in the room, that you will find length into breadth into height, and whatever you will get, that will be the number of persons. In this way you will solve question number 6, 7, 8, 9 also. Only question number 7, extra one part is there, that I am explaining. The size of a matchbox is this. What is the volume of packet containing 144 matchboxes? That you have to find. So for matchbox, length, breadth, height is given. First you will find the volume of the matchbox, volume of one matchbox, that will be. So after getting that you will find volume of 144 matchbox, that means volume into 144. And the second answer, how we will find, how many such packets can be placed in a carton of size this. So here how many packets? So number of packets equal to again larger quantity by smaller quantity. So here you will find the first volume of carton, and then number of packets equal to volume of carton by volume of 144 matchboxes. On that way you will find the number of packets. Again I am telling, number of packets equal to volume of carton by volume of 144 matchboxes. What you have got in first answer, that. So in this way you will find this answer, question number 7.